Ever wondered what it's really like to be the helpful voice behind the AT&T brand? Stepping into an AT&T customer service role means becoming a vital link between the company and its millions of customers. And it's a surprisingly dynamic and rewarding journey. Your day-to-day as an AT&T representative is all about connection and resolution. It primarily revolves around interacting with customers through various channels, be it phone calls, live chat, or even email. Each interaction is an opportunity to provide assistance, whether it's setting up a new service, troubleshooting a technical issue with their internet or mobile plan, explaining billing discrepancies, or guiding them through account updates. The core of the job is effective problem-solving. This isn't just about answering questions. It's about actively listening to understand the customer's unique situation, analyzing their needs, and then skillfully guiding them to the best solution available. To excel, you'll need a blend of fantastic communication skills, a circumflex euros. Clear speaking, active listening, and empathy are paramount. You'll also need strong technical aptitude, a knack for logical thinking, and the ability to remain calm and patient, even when faced with challenging situations. And you're never alone. AT&T provides robust support systems. This includes comprehensive training programs to equip you with product knowledge and service protocols, along with access to internal knowledge bases and experienced supervisors ready to offer guidance. For those who thrive on helping others and enjoy the satisfaction of resolving issues, a career at AT&T customer service can be incredibly fulfilling. It's a path focused on building customer loyalty through exceptional support and technical assistance.